Today I'm making a lattice panel. Now we use these for around our gardens, keep the varmints out and our chickens and everyone else. So first thing I need, let's see, 8 footers. This is a piece of 1x8 hemlock I had left over from a job, and it was a bad piece. It was kind of split. So I can get a couple 8 footers out of that. They'll need about 2 inches wide, so should be plenty of lumber here for that. 8 feet. Okay, I'm going to set my saw up for 2 inches. Side pieces. You line that up. Now, I like pre-drilling these. They get a tendency to split. Now I'm using 1-inch shingle nails. Actually, these are left over from a job. Line that up. There, once you get her lined up, just nail her down. These shingle nails, they work good for this lattice because they got a nice big head on them. See, that's 19 7/8. And that one's 20, so it's an eighth of a difference. Now I need 2 pieces. They'll also be 2 inches. And one has to be 20. Yep. 19 7/8. Must be it. On these end ones, I drill every one. Now I've got to reinforce these corners. So what I probably do is just, let me see, 6, yeah, either a 6x6 or a 5x5 will do it. Okay, here's a piece of plywood I just found, and I believe it's around 5.5. Oh, it is 5.5. So I'll just make them 5.5 by 5.5. Okay, 5.5. Now we just gotta cut them at an angle. Set my saw at a 45. Turn on my laser here. There. these are zinc plated, so they should be good. That cardinal's making a lot of noise. Okay, that's all there is to it. It makes a nice lattice panel. Protect your gardens. And here's what these lattice panels look like. I got them in front of my asparagus garden. And what I do is I just attach them with these little buttons. Very easy to do. Makes a nice job. And just twist those little buttons if you want to take them off. Anyway, thank you for watching.